a brief elaboration on each beauty hack tip. Multi-purpose products. Opt for versatile products that can be used in different ways to save time, space, and money in your beauty routine. Ice facial. Applying ice to your face can help reduce inflammation, shrink pores, and tighten skin, giving you a refreshed and rejuvenated appearance. DIY hair mask. Making your own hair mask allows you to customize ingredients based on your hair needs, providing deep hydration and nourishment for healthier-looking hair. Lip scrub. Exfoliating your lips with a homemade lip scrub removes dead skin cells, leaving your lips smooth, soft, and prepped for lip products. Setting spray. Using a setting spray not only helps set your makeup for long-lasting wear but can also intensify the pigment of your makeup products for a more vibrant look.